In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a list private in ClickUp. If you want to control who can view or work on a specific list, ClickUp makes that process very simple. Making a list private is a great way to protect sensitive projects, limit visibility, or keep certain work available only to the right people. I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, and I'll also point out what to look for so you can confirm everything is set up correctly. To get started, open the ClickUp list that you want to make private. Make sure you're inside the correct list before changing any settings, since privacy controls apply specifically to the list you currently have open. Once you're in the right place, go to the upper right corner and click Share. This opens the sharing panel, where you can manage who has access to the list and adjust its privacy settings. At the bottom of that sharing window, click Make Private. As soon as you do this, the list will no longer be openly available to everyone who has access to the larger workspace structure. Instead, access will be limited based on the sharing settings you choose. After that, take a moment to confirm that the privacy change worked. You should see a lock icon appear beside the list name, and the button in the sharing window should now say Make Public. Those two signs tell you that the list is currently private. Next, you can control team level access. In the sharing settings, look for the toggle beside the space or team name. You can turn that access on or off, depending on whether you want that broader group to be able to open the private list. This gives you a quick way to allow or restrict access without editing people one by one. If you need to give access to a specific person, enter a name or email address in the invite field and click Invite. This is useful when only certain individuals should be included, even if the rest of the team does not need access. To review or update individual permissions, expand the People section. From there, you can see exactly who currently has access to the private list and make changes if needed. This is a good final check to ensure only the intended people can open it. If you need to share the list with someone who already has permission, click Copy Link. This copies the private list link so you can send it directly. Just remember, the link only works for people who already have access. Thanks for watching.